What was she? Featuring Odumodi. Yeah? Featuring Odumod Black. Odumodu Black, yeah. Got it right. Let me know if I got it right. What is this?
Another banger. Coco, Remana, you be that me. I don't come again with another one. No, shake wala, I like you wala. Shaby, you there got my trouble, show you like you wala. Ooh, I go bolo, ooh, I go bolo, ooh, I go people gonna put up a choco. Try me, make up forgive you, spanking like Gopo. He don't this is a teluna.
Aye. Stop it, boy. Stop it. It's too much. It's too much, boy.
Say I be commando. Who be you? I know come here, me, I'm on a who. Drive them crazy like a bookaboo. Always confess I'm an enabu. Give them another one. I remember them. It depend them.
Look at my eliminations. And any focus on their blood, I am not done. Them no get a Panama lights, them a feed on. Remedy tip is all you push, they give up. We are talking like kick up. Foul play, red card, referee of people cause. Calamantus fall out your Bazu. Balotelli white, always me I score the Shanga with Yanga, your papa. Hula Balu, can you stop you? Penam she they call me Charlie Poppy. Confused. I don't know gone like I'm paranoid. From Lagos I fire I reach Illinois. Jiggy boy, I go pull up in expensive toy. Like Bonner boy, Okalamado, Okalamo.
Who be you? I know come here, me, I'm on a who. Drive them crazy like a bookaboo. Always confess I'm an enabu. Give them another one. I remember them. It depend them. I go give them another one. I remember them. It depend them.
This boy, danger, gevaar. Danger, gevaar. This boy is dangerous, guys. Like, yo, like at this point, like, we should not even call him a boy. At this point, this man, dog, yo, like, he's doing too much, dog. He's doing too much. He's a G right now. He's a G right now. Like, yo. This is fire, bro.